Let us show you guys the new place, you know. So, walk in. We got the kitchen area over here. It's really cute, actually. First, we're going to take it to the bathroom. Let's see what the bathroom's getting, you know what I'm saying? Bathroom's cute. It's small, but it's cute. Never like when the door hits right there, you know? Anyway, that's really cute. Let's go ahead into the actual living space. That's how big the window is, and it looks like you can actually maybe open it. Ooh, I don't know. But look at that view. So we get it. It's a really nice view, guys. Ooh, 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 ooh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This is dangerous. Look at that view.
Makes me a little nervous.
It does. Like, don't put anything out there. What? That's dangerous, actually. All right, anyway, so it's a living room. We got a little go upstairs. Okay, wait, we love this. Friend said there's enough space for our luggage. Oh, yep. Wow. Yep. Got an iron in there.
Oh, wow.
Let's go on up to the duplex. All right, here's the duplex. Yep. Space. And then over here we have some more closet space, which is cute. No hangers, but I guess that's okay. We're only here for a couple of days. I like that. Hey, that's cute. And then you have something over here. Yeah, that's cute. Yeah. Bed feels a little hard, but cozy maybe. Oh yeah, that's really cute.
It's gym time. I didn't bring my gym clothes.
Me neither. I just said a bra and shorts.
Yeah, you should do. Let's not.
Let's go check out the sauna, guys. Wow. This is a sauna. Oh, wow. That's real nice. This is nice. Just take a little picture of that. Alright guys, we are finally back in the building lobby area. We just have to wait until they clear each floor for us to go up and grab our things. We'll tell you more about it. My batteries are gonna die, but what a morning. Okay guys, we're back in the apartment after about, I don't know, 4 hours or so. Climbed 20 flights. Couldn't get in on our floor because it was locked. Anyway, some damage there. Some of the whatever feathers fell down. Up here, you see there's this shift there, some shifting there, but everything else is pretty much intact here. But when you go into the hallways, oh my gosh, let me just quickly show you guys. This is what it looks like on every floor. Every floor. Wild. Not just thank God for not having so much luggage. this side of the building seems to be good, guys. No cracks in the wall, no debris. The other side. Oof. Oh my God. I ain't working out for 3 days. You got this going on?
I was good. So get out the way.
Somebody went back to the gym to work out. What that door looked like. We couldn't get in. We had to wait like 30 minutes for someone to come. Thanks, babe. I got it. So we made it down. We got all our stuff. We had to climb the 20 flights up. Grab our stuff, come down. Only to realize we felt like we were on the wrong side, so we had to climb back up a few flights. Then come back down again. In any event, excuse the camera. Excuse what we look like. We didn't eat all day. Our head is hurting. We gotta find a place to stay because we can't stay in our apartment that we rented. And so, yeah, but we're good. I don't know what the damage is around the streets, around the town, but in other neighboring countries, you guys see it on the news. So just keep everybody in prayer. We're well. Thank you guys for checking in, and we'll keep you posted.
Hey, lady. You got your luggage?
I'm so tired. I'm still in my pajamas.